there weren't any signs or kind of shelf blades or shelf talkers to help me understand. I've always remembered green as the yellow. Who knows? It's a mystery. Maybe only weirdos like me notice that. Hey everybody, it's Shopping with Christy. Today I am in the DIY channel today at Lowe's. And I don't know about you guys, but right now where I live, spring is happening a little early this year. And I find myself in the market for some weed killer. Die! This is the grass and weed control area at my local Lowe's. You see it's two full bays here. It's one of the first things I always do when I'm looking at a category. I check out the real estate. It took me a minute or two, even with my eyes, to start to understand how Lowe's was orienting this category. It's not a brand block. A brand block is usually when a particular category would be organized by brands. Like there would be Roundup, there would be Ortho, right? There would be Preen, right? So on and so forth. So it'd be by brand. This is not that. And unfortunately, there weren't any signs or kind of shelf blades or shelf talkers to help me understand how it's organized. So the way I did it is I just started reading the products to try to discern, what I was looking at and sort of how to look at the lay of the land. And so what I came up with here, and this is, not good, but it'd be better if they helped me a little, but I realized that this side was just weeds. It's all about weeds, preventing weeds and killing weeds. And then over here, it looks like it's a little bit more aggressive with sort of brush killer, ground clear. It gets more aggressive. Whereas over here, if you look, this appears to be all weed and grass. So basically, as you go left from there to here, it gets more and more aggressive from preventing to killing weeds and grass. But what I find very curious here and doesn't make sense is why then would the sort of more natural assortment products be all the way to the left? You'd think they'd be all the way to the right, but they're not. They're over here. And I know this is the more natural area because mostly of Spruce. This is a brand that I've watched last year it launched, and I've been watching it ever since. And so since Spruce is here, and this is the one that actively markets it's safe for pets, you would think that it wouldn't end there. It'd be on the right. Now within this category, there are certain brands that sort of own certain colors. And this has been true for many categories. And then within the brands, they might have different colors within them to help navigation. I've always remembered green as the yellow. They've got these very loud yellow, and then whether it's red or green here. Roundup is almost always white. The bottles are white, and these bottles are big. And then their dual action line is silver. What's strange about Ortho here is the Ortho house is present, so you see it there. But it is a little confusing because their pest control business is almost always white bottle. Their weed killer is green bottles, but then their year long is black. So it's just a lot going on here. I'm not a fan of that. I think it's hard to shop and hard to really get a brand color. But over here in the black bottle is Spectracide. So, it doesn't really work. BioAdvanced is owning blue here. So at least they're a little bit more consistent in their blue. That's helpful for them, but it's difficult. So, going back here, I do want to talk one more time about Spruce and in general, what we see happening in sort of all home care, which is this move towards effective yet gentle. And I actually covered this in another video, but Spruce did just recently, you can see this is their current look. Spruce, weed and grass with this dandelion visual in the middle. But you see here, that's different. So I think they're going through a graphics refresh here. And one notable thing is when you look at the products with their old graphics, this trigger bottle, it's on clearance. So I would love to know the story of what's going on here. I'm wondering if they got bad consumer reviews, if maybe the product didn't work as well. My guess is maybe they had to go away from this claim, visible results in 1 hour, and they swapped it out for this 3-in-1 action formula claim. So that's my thought. Let's walk over and find the vinegar weed products. Well, look what I found here. I walked over to this sort of end cap overstock area. Here you have worry-free vinegar and then Harris vinegar. This is not their weed control product, although you can just dilute it more and it can go. But right next to it is Spruce. So I thought this was interesting. So they do have on this one, even with the graphics update, they do have that claim visible results in 1 hour on this one. So why would they have the claim in their spray product, but not the refill spray product? Who knows? It's a mystery. Maybe only weirdos like me notice that. I'm sure there's a compelling story why they did what they did here in this product. I'm going to walk around the store and see if I can't find Harris vinegar weed killer just to see. I'll be right back and see if I can find it. Hang on. Okay, guys, I'm walking down the main center aisle here. I still don't see it. You know, sometimes when you're shopping, they'll put overstock products not in their normal category place, so it's worth it to walk up and down the aisle. Well, I walked the whole store, can't find it. So that's unfortunate. Lowe's, you should carry Harris.
Do it. Do it now.
Okay, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed my little shopping journey and category review. Bye.